I am really a big foodie, like a really big foodie. And if I have to, and I love eating out, so I'm always traveling and I'm always scouting for restaurants. I get a lot of invitations from different chefs and I've been trying cuisines. And hi, I'm Shipra Khanna and you're watching me on femina.in. I love to work out, I love to read, I love to go and try different foods made by different chefs. That gives me a lot of inspiration. And what else do I do? And I play with my dog, Fluffy. He's my lifeline. Listening to music, yoga, that really keeps me up, and meeting friends, going out, just doing nothing sometimes, just listening to good music, looking and praying to God, listening to, and just looking at nature, that really rejuvenates me. Well, I like a balanced diet and I always tell people just go for a balanced diet. So if you are having an indulgent meal, just reduce the portion size and then add a lot of fiber in your meals like millets. You have to have millets and a lot of greens, fresh vegetables, seasonal vegetables, whole grains. This is something that I try to incorporate in my, of course you balance it with exercise as well, and it's also about stress management. So just resting, stress management, do a little bit of exercise and great food. I think that keeps me up. See, like I said, you have to keep a balance with everything. So work balance plus personal life balance. So if there is, I am really a big foodie, like a really big foodie. And if I have to, and I love eating out. So I'm always traveling and I'm always scouting for restaurants. I get a lot of invitations from different chefs and I've been trying cuisines. And now also I am I've been selected for the World Paya competition. I'm representing India there, and there are like several chefs who've been inviting. So whenever I'm traveling, there's like so much food around. But I try to balance it with like good exercise and try to, control my portion size. So you should wash your vegetables with, water. You make it a little acidic with a little bit of vinegar and wash all the vegetables and fruit with it. So you kill all the bacteria. Plus, if you're keeping meat, then if you're chopping meat, then keep the chopping boards and knives separate to the vegetable ones. Raw and cooked food should be handled differently, and there should be plastic containers for everything. Everything should be clean and hygienic to maintain or, to keep all the illness away, even at home. It's super important because there are a lot of diseases which we really don't know, but they come with food, right? So everything, even any illness in any body, it is because of your stomach. If there's something wrong that you've consumed, whether it's because of the rains or whether you've been negligent about your hygiene, it just, you have to be super careful, and especially if you have children at home or elder people at home, and especially with so much going on after the pandemic, I think it's really important that we all should take care of our hygiene. That's number one, always.